Hi everyone, welcome to IJ's channel. I'm gonna be taking over today, and I have to show you guys my lovely outfits because we're going inside. So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, link. What did they say? What did they say? Drop the what? In the link description box.
Leave your comments down.
Bounce, bounce it, baby, you bounce. Bounce, 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 oh baby, you bounce. Ready for this, yeah. Ready for this, yeah. CC Maria, she carry front from by your side. Oh, CC Ngozi, she carry back from Alhambra. Imarama, oh, I for make you my lady. Imarama, oh, yeah. Only you, baby, I put on gunaya, yeah. Don't be joking if I tell you you're loving the fire, yeah. No. Give me a chance any day, I go love you, tire.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys are doing alright. If you're just watching and seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is IJ. I hope you subscribe and I hope you stay and you join my family. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. This video has been such a struggle, but I'm not letting the devil win. I've done this video 5 times. Okay, 4 times. This is my 5th time trying to make this video work, and this video is going to work like by fire, by thunder, any way possible. It's going to work today. But anyways, oh my god, do you guys count how many times I say anyways in my videos? Anyways, I could care less right now. So as you guys can see, I am in the comfort of my home, in comfort of my room, in comfort of my bed, trying to make this video work. You know, I'm trying to be as IJ as I can be. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite YouTubers with you guys, and it was such a struggle trying to like reduce the number because I just realized that I had too many. So that's why I have my notebook here, because I've been writing down. I have like over 20, but I'm just going to bring it down to 10, and this was quite difficult, but I'm just going to do 10 because if I go ahead and do 20, like, it's just going to be too much. Or maybe I'll do 15. We'll see how this video goes. Anyways, so I've also decided that I'm going to share this video in 2 parts. So this video today, I'm going to be talking about my top 10 popular YouTubers. So these are YouTubers that have over 100,000 subscribers and upwards. I might be wrong with some of them, but I just really love them and I feel like they deserve more than what they have right now. And then I'm also going to be doing a separate video on my upcoming YouTubers, so YouTubers that don't really have a lot of subscribers but I feel like they deserve more recognition than they're getting right now. I'm also going to be doing that in a separate video, but today's video is going to be like the popular black amazing YouTubers, and maybe I'll do 15 just because there are too many. So I'm gonna start off with number 15 in no particular order. Number 15 on my list will be Kitana, and if you don't know Kitana, then you guys should definitely check her out. She started off doing crochet braid videos, so pretty much hair videos, and then she started to do like haul videos and thrift store videos as well. And I swear to god, Kitana makes like thrift store outfits look like $1 million outfits. I'm not even kidding you guys, and I find that really amazing. If you want to get like outfit inspiration or outfit ideas, you can definitely check out her channel. She is pretty good and amazing at doing stuff like that. Next on my list is gonna be CCME, and you guys know me. Like, if you know me personally, you know that I'm a huge, I don't know what the word is, but I love food. And coupled with the fact that I love food, I love to cook as well. So like, I enjoy watching CCME's channel because CCME has like the best recipes for any kind of Nigerian dish that you'll be looking to make in your lifetime. So like, if you guys are like, if you're eager to learn some Nigerian dishes, or like if you're craving something and you don't know how to go about making it, definitely check out CCME's channel and you will find a way to make it happen. Okay. So next person on this list will be somebody that I love so much, and I feel like she isn't getting as much recognition as she deserves because I feel like she's simply amazing. Her name is Fabulous Brie, and this girl is super talented, super beautiful. She has a beautiful skin. Her makeup game is on 100. Like, you guys should definitely check her out. Like, she's super talented, she's so skilled, especially like her Halloween looks. Like, they're so bomb. Like, I'm not really into Halloween, but like I watch her videos and I really like what she does. She's a pretty good makeup artist, as well as somebody that you guys can get natural hair inspiration ideas from as well, because she is natural and she has beautiful long curly full hair. Anyways, next person on this list will also be somebody else that I love so much, and her name is Tatiana Westcott, and I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but I will leave the name right here for you guys, so just check down here, somewhere here, it's gonna be there. So like, Tatiana is like pretty much basically hair and wigs, but she also does like makeup videos once in a while, and she also does story time and stuff like that. But I basically watch her because of like her hair tutorials and like wig application videos, and I love those kind of videos, and I feel like she's super amazing at that. In that line, or in that order, somebody else that I love to watch, like I feel like I'd be cheating if I call one without the other, because they're sisters and they're twins, and I love both of them so much. I'm gonna go with Anel Amon first. Anel is pretty much a hair person, but once in a while she also does like makeup videos, and I really enjoy like her hair videos. Like, I look at her and I'm jealous, because I'm like, how does one person have so much hair? Like, why don't these companies look for me to sponsor me and give me free hair too? Like, anyway, she's super like amazing, like when it comes to like wig making, 360 frontal application, or like whatever you pretty much want to know about hair, you can check Anel's channel, and I'm sure you will get the help that you are looking for. And then next will be her sister, Alyssa Ashley. Like, Alyssa is like one of my best YouTubers of all time, because like her makeup game is like on a freaking 1 million, not even 100. Like, she's so good at makeup, and I feel like she isn't even getting as much recognition as she deserves, because I feel like she's supposed to be like up there like with the rest of like the top YouTubers, like, because she's really amazing. Like, she's so good. Like, I'm not even playing with you guys. Like, and I love watching her videos because it's very detailed. So like, if she's using a beauty blender, she's gonna tell you why she's using the beauty blender and why you should get it and all that good stuff. And like, I mean, who doesn't want a video like that? Like, that helps you know what to spend your money on and what not to spend your money on. So like, I enjoy watching her videos. I also love the way she edits her videos. You know, I pray to get there someday, sometime soon. Next person will be somebody that I really love, like one of my faves, and I love her because she's so authentic. Like, she's very original, and that's like personally one of the things I look for when I'm watching when I'm going to watch somebody's YouTube channel, when I'm going to subscribe to somebody. I love authenticity, like someone that's so real and so their self. Like, she's so unapologetically Nigerian, and I love that about her. And her name is My Own Mandy. My Own Mandy is like one of my favorite YouTubers, and her skin is heaven. Like, her skin is so beautiful. Her skin is like milk. Like, it's so clean, so clear, so smooth. Like, I know I haven't felt her skin, but I'm pretty sure that it is. Like, she has beautiful skin. And obviously, like I always say in my videos, or maybe I don't, but I know that I always say this, beautiful skin equals flawless makeup. Like, if you have really nice clear skin, like if you take care of your skin, then whenever you beat your face, like, your beat game is going to be on 100. Like, literally, trust me when I say that. Anyway, so yes, I love My Own Mandy a lot, and her makeup tutorials are very nice and very helpful, and she makes eyeshadow colors look so beautiful, especially when she does her Ankara inspired like make eyeshadow like looks. Like, I enjoy watching those as well, even though I'm not really such a colorful person, but when I see colors on other people, I really appreciate them. So yeah. Next person would be makeup Shayla. Like, who doesn't love Shayla at this point? Like, I like Shayla, but like, initially I knew Shayla from Instagram and not from YouTube, because I found out about her on Instagram, and then I checked and I saw that she had a YouTube channel, but she barely ever posted anything on the YouTube channel. So like I just kind of grew up with her on YouTube, and now that she had on Instagram, and now that she has YouTube, I also watch her, but like I'm more on Instagram than anything, right? So I hope you guys get the drift. But like Shayla is really good as well. Everybody and your mama is like, who doesn't know Shayla at this point? Next person on this list is gonna be, I'm not even sure if I've passed 15 because I feel like I'm calling too many names already. Another person that I like a lot is OneEleu. And with that being said, just so you guys know, Owani was the first person I saw that did this video. So like it's not like this video is my idea in any way. Like I've seen a bunch of people do it on YouTube, so I just decided to like hop on it and join the bandwagon and just do my own video and share some of my favorite YouTubers with you guys as well. So yes, I actually love watching Owani's videos. She's also somebody else that I feel like is very real and very like herself and very Nigerian, and honestly I enjoy watching, like it doesn't make me anything, like, but I just enjoy watching like Nigerians, like I don't know, like I enjoy watching Nigerian YouTubers. Like I'm not even going to lie, I'm one of those people. Like I watch other people as well, don't get me wrong, but like I really enjoy watching Nigerians because like it just takes me back home, especially when they're just being so themselves. Like it brings you back home, and it's just super nice to know that like some people like don't conform to like the westernized way of living, if you know what I mean, like me. Anyway, so next person, somebody else that I really love watching. Like I've probably talked about her before because I am in love with her, and her name is Tiara Monet. I love Tiara because like I don't know, she's like a goddess. Like her skin is beautiful, she makes makeup look nice, and like, well, she used to sing as well, like back in the day, like 2012 2013. Tiara used to sing on or she had a separate YouTube channel for singing or something like that, but I don't know what happened and she just stopped. But yeah, coupled with the fact that, you know, some drama happened around something relating to her relationship at that time, something changed, so I guess she took a break for a while and then she came back better and stronger. But yeah, you guys should definitely check out Tiara Monet, and she also owns a salon which makes her hair game on point, so you guys also check her out. She does like really great hair videos, and she gives tips on like how to also like lay down your frontals, how to make frontal wigs and all that good stuff, how to make a bob wig. Like she owns the Crown collection in New York, so like duh, like obviously. So yes, you guys check her out. Next person on my list will be Any Baby 4, but she also goes by the name Glam by Isoken on Instagram, and I've been watching Isoken like forever. Like I've loved her like since pretty much. So like you guys definitely check her out as well. Next person on my list, because I feel like I'm coming like towards the end now, would be Monica Style Muse. And if you know me, you know that I've loved this girl like since forever. Like when I first started watching her, I was hoping and praying that she was Nigerian, and I mean like it turned out she wasn't Nigerian, which is still okay. Like I don't really care, I still love her.